Good morning. Rise and shine. No, it's raining. Well, it's gonna start raining here in LA. But where are we going, huh? Oh, I forgot to mention I lost my voice over the weekend due to the worst, I repeat, the worst hangover of my life. So don't drink, you guys. And if you're gonna drink, don't be extra. Apparently I was being a little extra, but I have an excuse because I honestly never drink. So, and my birthday's gonna be this month, like in 2 weeks. So I was like, you know what, I should drink, you know, pre-game or whatever. But apparently I can't even hang. So I lost my voice. Since when? Since like Sunday, huh? That we went out, which I didn't vlog because I went out with my coworkers. But the place that we went to is called Howl at the Moon in City Walk. So if you're in LA, and it's pretty cool, huh? I like the place. It was chill. Which reminds me, I got a text because you know how you join the little in the entrance, they told you like write your name and you get that little free sticker and stuff. They text me saying that I won a free like happy hour for my birthday or something like that. But I don't know if I should. It says click the link. I don't know if I should click it though. Should I? Should I actually go? And I don't know. I don't know if I'll be able to control myself again. The drinks were super cheap and they were good. So if you want to go out or have fun, I recommend that place. It's cool. Anyway, so we're driving right now to the DMV again, you guys. So I was there last week. You probably saw my vlog. I was there, going again this week, and I'm probably gonna go again next week because I have to renew my driver's license. And I will show you guys my picture, but it's horrible. Like, it doesn't even look like me. Like, the guy at the bar, he was looking at my picture and then he had to go to the light to see my ID. He didn't do that to nobody, and he just kept looking at me like this. And I'm like, it's me, you know? It's kind of embarrassing, but it's me. I have no makeup on. And my hair is like puffy, like nasty, wavy, and it's not even straight. It was horrible, yeah. But I'm too ashamed to show you guys my ID. So we're driving down there. And he's gonna get his stickers. I did that for my dad last week. It's like we've been going to the DMV this whole month. Horrible.
So persons that showed the routes was David, Angel. No, not David. Angel, Teddy's sister Gabby. Who else? Fabiola.
I took it at the Englewood DMV.
Who else?
I didn't take it here. I heard it was harder here.
Teddy.
We're in the Culver City DMV. See, it's empty. There's no line. Perfect.
You just jinxed it.
Why?
With a big line inside.
No, I feel like we came at a good time. You think I could film this out here?
I don't see why not.
What number are we?
B96.
And we're at B93. We're doing the March of Dimes. I changed the lens so you guys could see it's a fisheye.
We're out. It took us almost an hour. But look, it's raining. Can you guys see it's raining? Horrible. We don't have no sweaters. It's raining. No, it's raining. Okay, now we're going to Wobble Grill. No, why do I say Wobble Grill? The flame road. Hello. You know what's up?
Chicken veggie bowl, brown rice, and extra veggie. Actually, the veggies look really good. What did you get?
This chicken and brown rice.
Oh, like me?
No, chicken and brown rice.
I I did too.
And veggies. You got veggies.
Oh, you just got the brown rice?
Uh-huh.
Why didn't you get veggies?
How many veggies?
Yeah, but that's why I got extra. I'm gonna be where the nail polishes are, okay?
Oh my god, these colors are so pretty. This is cute. I'm gonna get this color. These are cute. I really like this color. I feel like I have this color already. Make something similar to this.
Oh my god, I just filmed your ass. Just kidding. And they have blender bottles. You know what I was thinking? That maybe I need one that keeps my water cold. Oh, this one's good. This one's big. This one?
How much is that?
How many ounces? I don't know. How much?
48.
That's not bad. But I hate that color. Like, I hate that they're blue. Just the black one and the pink still there. That was $10. And the downside too is that those things rip. My Victoria's Secret one,
32 ounces?
it ripped. That was not bad. Those things rip, but now, back then they didn't have them. But now they have the replacements, look. They're $3. So if that thing rips or it gets dirty, you could replace. Well, let's go to the toys because that's where we came for. Oh, they have the Fitbits here. Look, baby. Oh, this is the one that I want to get, the Surge. And these, no. This is the one that I have. Yeah, this one, the Charge. Oh, that's the scale that my friend was telling me about. It might be right here. Oh, this is so cool. Look, they have all those superheroes. Too bad Papa's is not into that yet. Oh, that helicopter looks so cool. Oh, look at this one. This was like the well, he kind of likes that, huh?
Yeah.
Or he could put all his toys inside there. Well, she said it's cars. These are Hot Wheels.
All the cars are right here.
Oh, she might be talking about these.
That one or this one?
Oh, I think she's talking about that one.
Does he have the blue truck? He does, no?
I'm not sure. I'm gonna FaceTime her. How about that one? The one in the bottom. That one's kind of cute. It's a tow truck. Well, you can't put nothing in there. I think this is the one she was talking about. That he wants this one. Because she said it was $20.
They both $20.
But she was like, oh, I don't think it's worth it because it's just a truck and it has two little cars or one little car. So I'm getting ready to go to the gym, but I'm babysitting for my sister. So I have my niece and my nephew. And what are you guys doing?
David just hit my head.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Woof, woof.
You're a dog?
I'm a cat.
You're a cat?
Cat. Woof, woof. Meow, meow. Woof,
You guys better fix this bed before your grandma gets here.
woof, woof.
Look what you guys done.
Damien, move. Move.
Hey, don't scream like that. You don't say move. You say, excuse me, please help me.
Excuse me, please help me.
It's okay. When you guys are done playing, we'll fix the bed, okay?
I'm done.
So just behave, okay? And play nicely, please. Don't fall. Cause I'm babysitting right now, but I'm going to gym, so I'm waiting for your mom.
Sippy.
Sippy sippy, or sissy sissy. Peaches, don't bark. Come on. So yeah, I am getting ready to go to gym. I already meal prepped, so I'm gonna show you guys quickly. Here, my turkey with corn, and I have my white rice here. I mean brown rice right here. I'm gonna say that. So we just got back from the gym. Today was leg day, and it was amazing, like the best. I worked out with my boyfriend, so we worked real hard. And I'm sorry if someone gets annoyed with my voice, but I already explained what happened to it. As you guys probably saw, I did go to Target, so I'm gonna show you quickly what I got. I got this couple of nail polishes. This one by Sally Hansen, Extreme Wear. This one's called Bear Hug, $49. I got a lot of like cute spring colors or summer. I got Lacy Lilac, and I got Royal Hue, $4.30. They're so pretty. I love these colors. Something like that. And this one, like, and I also got a matte top coat by OPI Nicole. I'm gonna say this. So right now we're gonna get ready to watch. Well, I got the Peanuts movie. That's what it's called, right? So I'm gonna get ready to see that before I go to sleep, because tomorrow I will be going to work. So I'm gonna try to go to sleep early, and my boyfriend is going to work in like 2 hours or so. So pretty much gonna be done for today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.